what rhymes with pickles?
What's that?
You gotta tell me.
I
You know
have.
any word that rhymes with pickles?
I do not.
Let me see. Yeah. Hey, come here, I need your help. I'm not smart enough, I need both of our half brains. All right.
Are you smart?
Was I talking to you? Thank you. Don't come down, sir.
What do you want?
I need a word that rhymes with pickles.
It's not tickle. It's not nickel.
You're so dumb.
Is it perhaps chainsaw?
You don't have a contest?
What kind of contest is on now?
Ready? Oh, wait, wait.
I'm quite busy after.
Busy?
I said busy. I said dizzy.
You're so busy.
You just fail to listen to me because your ears are clogged with gasoline and CO2. Yes, they are.
I'll listen to you.
Do you? Are you